What's up guys, SuperSaf here, and we've got a very special video for you guys today. I've partnered with OnePlus to bring you the OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN Edition. This is a special edition of the OnePlus Nord 2, meaning it's got everything that made the Nord 2 so good. We'll come to that later. And as you can see, we've got a few spares here to give away too. There's going to be a challenge as part of this video, so stay tuned for that. But first, let's go ahead, unbox this, and see what it's got to offer. So we'll see right away that all of the packaging has been redesigned with a PAC-MAN theme. The inner box also has the PAC-MAN maze design. And inside we get some safety information, a quick start guide, some stickers, a little note with the SIM card tool, which you can take a closer look at. There's the device, which we'll come back to in a second, a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, the Warp Charge 65 power brick included in the box, and this, as the Nord 2, will fully charge the PAC-MAN Edition from 1 to 100% in around 30 minutes. As well as that, there's a secret compartment at the back which gives you a PAC-MAN themed case. Again, this is all included in the box. Now, some regions will also have the DIY PAC-MAN phone holder, and this comes with all of your favorite characters of the game. Now, do make sure you pay attention when putting this together, because there might be some hints for unlocking extra content. And here it is. So the OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN Edition has all of the features from the OnePlus Nord 2, such as the 6.43-inch Full HD plus 90Hz AMOLED display, the 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 primary camera, and the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI chipset. But all of this is infused with the classic PAC-MAN arcade game, making this the first OnePlus phone with a gamified user experience. So you'll notice that the phone's back cover has now been redesigned in this PAC-MAN theme, and this actually has a hidden feature. If you turn off the lights, then this is actually going to glow in the dark and reveal a PAC-MAN maze. And not only that, little details like the phone's alert slider have also been customized and have the same dark blue color as the vulnerable ghost in the PAC-MAN game. And for the software, this is of course running Oxygen OS, but we've got a fully gamified user experience that's unique to the PAC-MAN Edition. So you'll notice some of the retro UI icons with a fun pixelated design. We've got PAC-MAN themed wallpapers, the PAC-MAN 256 game, a PAC-MAN camera filter, and there's loads more unlockable content and Easter eggs. Now personally, I love the little details that we have. So for example, if we go into the settings menu, if we swipe through, you'll notice the little PAC-MAN character actually eating through to the next page, which is really cool. And when you're charging your device, you're gonna get a really cool PAC-MAN animation. Now, some of the ways you'll be able to unlock the bonus content will be, for example, by charging the device for a certain period of time, playing the PAC-MAN game for a certain period of time, and without giving too much away, the hint that I'll drop is always try to go for perfect. Right, now for the gaming challenge that I mentioned earlier on. I wanted a worthy opponent for this challenge, and there's a friend of mine who calls himself a gamer anyway, Thunder E from Board at Work. Let's go ahead and teleport him in. There you are.
Hey, man.
Welcome to Leicester.
Thank you for having me.
How was the teleportation?
Yeah, it was pretty quick.
Nord 2 PAC-MAN Edition.
Yes.
Being a gamer, what of the Nord 2 PAC-MAN Edition appeals to you?
Honestly, this device has a ton of features I like. First, it's that 90Hz display. You know I love fast refresh rates for displays. Absolutely gorgeous. Second is the processor. It's got the Dimensity 1200 AI. Very good processor, especially for the price point you're getting here. It's really good. And finally, I think, is the gamified software experience, especially with all the PAC-MAN features tied into it and all the things you mentioned earlier while I was teleporting, by the way.
Well, the teleportation took quite long. I thought it'd be quicker, but anyway, I need to work on that. Teleportation needs some time. Are you ready for this challenge?
You ready to lose?
I'm ready to win. I think you're going to lose.
Oh, it's on.
Let's do this. So, myself and E will be playing a PAC-MAN game, which will be live on OnePlus's website. And whoever wins will get to give away 5 phones with the loser getting to give away 3. Right guys, it's time. It's time for E to lose. So let's do this.
Please.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. All right.
Okay.
I have not played this in a long time. Okay. Points are coming up.
He's about to die, isn't he? That was close.
I'm doing too good. If I can say so myself, I'm just like absolutely smashing this.
Oh, a little bind.
Ooh.
A little bind.
Oh yeah. Okay. Got it.
Yes. What score are you on right now?
I'm not going to tell you.
Really? Are you sure?
All I'm going to say is I'm doing really well, and it's definitely better than what you're doing.
No.
Ooh, cherry. What does cherry do?
Figure it out yourself.
That was close. Ooh, very close. The cherry's gone. The cherry's gone.
Sorry. My bad. My hands just kind of.
Keep your hands to yourself. Ooh, that's close. Oh, okay. One down. Come on, I can do this. I'm confident I'm gonna win. 2 ghosts still.
Okay. We got this.
Okay, come on. Almost done. Completed. All right.
Ooh.
Next round. Let's go.
I'm still on the same second round.
Second round.
Yeah.
Are we gonna give away what our scores are so far?
No, there's no need. I mean, people don't need to know the scores just yet.
Well, I mean, everybody just needs to know that I'm winning, so that's the important thing. Ooh, strawberry. What does a strawberry do?
I don't know. I haven't seen strawberry yet.
I've not played this in so long, but to be honest, I'm a natural, so. No! It ran out. Ah. Okay, last one.
No. Let's go. Come on, we can do this.
This is not good. I didn't get the cherry or the strawberry. Okay, strawberry's back. No. He's after me. Get away, quickly. No! Is that it?
No. Yes.
Game over.
Yes. Beautiful. Just loving this path, right? Just so good. Ooh, do not touch me.
Oh, I mean, your score's not even close, so I don't even know why you even bother.
It's okay. I got this.
Oh, he started again. You started again.
Nah. Did not do such a thing. Oh,
you fool.
You just. Oh my God.
You started again. He's cheating. So I mean, it's obvious. I'm the winner, as we predicted, as we knew already. And with my high score of let me see, 5,330. Thank you very much. So I get to give away more of the phones.
I'm still playing. I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know why he's still playing.
I'm still playing.
He's already lost.
I still playing.
He's already lost and he's restarted because he was rubbish. But yeah. Okay. I call this guy over from the US because he's supposed to be a gamer, but you know, obviously I'm just naturally gifted.
Look, I haven't played Pac-Man in at least
excuses.
25 years.
Excuses.
Okay.
So because I am the winner, of course, I mean, we already knew that from before, I get to give away 5 brand new OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN Edition smartphones, and E gets to give away 3. I mean, to be honest, he should get to give away less because he cheated, of course. But anyway, it's going to be super easy to enter this giveaway. There's going to be a link down in the description of this video. If you just follow that link, that's going to have all of the details there. Just make sure that you do follow all of those instructions properly. That's going to be for my video, and then there's going to be E's video. If you head over to his video, which will also be linked, and then you can also enter his side of the giveaway as well. Now, remember, just make sure that you do not respond to any messages from anybody else. We're going to be contacting the winners directly from our profiles, SuperSaf and Board at Work.
Definitely not Singala.
Yeah, just watch out for Singala. So yeah, make sure that you are already following us, so then when you do get a message, you'll know it's actually from us and nobody else. I want to say a big thanks to OnePlus for putting this together for us, being able to give away so many devices and have a fun time. Also, thanks to E for coming all the way here to the UK from the US, here in Leicester. No thanks to him for cheating, actually. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This is SuperSaf
and Thunder E.
And we'll see you next time. Is it actually you that's here, or is this just a copy of you and the other one died?